Number average and weight average molecular weights. We have to consider ways and means of averaging out the molecular weight of the polymers. The two most common and experimentally verifiable methods of finding out the molecular weights of the polymers, or what we can say averaging their molecular weights, are called as the number average molecular weight and the weight average molecular weight methods. We will deal with each of the methods one by one. First, let us take up the number average concept. Now, for this we take an example. Consider a basket containing 4 types of vegetables as shown in the figure: onions, brinjals, cabbages, and cauliflowers. For ease of understanding, let us assume that each onion of the onion lot weigh the same, and so also each of the other vegetables, as we can see in the table. The number of each vegetable and its weight are as tabulated and shown in the figure. Now, what we have to do is we have to find out the average weight of the vegetables present in the basket. For finding this out, we assume that the individual vegetable entity contributes to the average weight in the proportion of its numbers. We then get the number average weight. For example, as we can see, the total number of vegetables contained in the basket are 15. The number of onions present in the basket are 2. So the number of fraction of onions will be 2 divided by 15. Similarly, the number fraction of brinjals will be 4 divided by 15. Number fraction of cabbages will be 6 divided by 15. And number fraction of cauliflowers will be 3 divided by 15. Now, we will see the contribution made by 2 onions towards the average weight of the vegetables in the basket. This we will get by multiplying the number fraction of onions by the weight of each onion. So the number of fraction of onions is 2 by 15 and the weight of each onion is 10, as we can see from the table. So what we do? We multiply 2 upon 15 by 10 and we get 1.33. This is the contribution made by onions towards the average weight of vegetables in the basket. Similarly, we will find out the contributions made by 4 brinjals, 6 cabbages and 3 cauliflowers to the average weight of vegetables in the basket. And then we will sum up the contributions made by each variety of vegetable and we get the number average weight of the total vegetables. In this example, what we get? We get 1.33 for onions, 5.33 for brinjals, 40.00 for cabbages and 50.00 for cauliflowers. And we add all these figures and what we get, this final answer is 96.66 grams. That is the number average concept. Now let us see the weight average concept of the molecular weight. Weight average concept is the other method of calculating the average weight, and it is based on the assumption that the individual here vegetable variety contributes to the total weight in the proportion not of its number but its weight. So what we then get is the weight average arrived. Now the point to be noted here is that in the number average concept the number of the vegetable was considered, but here the weight of the individual vegetable is considered. So again, looking at the table, what we see, the total weight of all vegetables in the basket is 1450 grams. And again, if we consider onion, the weight of onions present in the basket is 20 grams. So the weight fraction of onion will be 20 divided by 1450. Similarly, the weight fraction of brinjals, cabbages and cauliflowers will be, their weight present in the basket divided by the total weight, and that will be for brinjals will be 80 divided by 1450. For cabbages it will be 600 divided by 1450, and for cauliflowers it will be 750 divided by 1450. So then we can find out the contribution made by individual vegetables towards the average weight of vegetables in the basket. And suppose in the case of onion, it will be weight fraction of onion multiplied by average weight of onions. So the weight fraction of onion is 20 divided by 1450 and its average weight is 10. So the contribution made by onions will be 20 upon 1450 into 10 equal to 0.14 gram. Similarly, the corresponding contributions by brinjals, cabbages, and cauliflowers can be calculated, and then we sum up the contributions made by each vegetable variety and we get the average weight of the total vegetables, which in this case here comes out to be 171.93 grams. These two concepts are the known as number average and weight average molecular weight concepts as they are applied to polymers.